Did you know that same sex sexual activity has been legal in Tennessee since 1996? The Tennessee Court of Appeals ruled unanimously that the state's autonomy statute, which banned it, was unconstitutional in the case of Campbell versus Sunquist. Marriage licenses have been issued to same sex couples in Tennessee since the Supreme Court ruling in Obergefell versus Hodges in 2015. Prior to the Supreme Court ruling in 2015, Tennessee recognized neither same sex marriages nor any other form of same sex unions. The state banned same sex marriage, both by statute and by constitutional amendments. The Chattanooga City Council voted to allow domestic partnerships in 2013, but this was repealed by voters in 2014. In March 2023, the State House passed House Bill 878 to allow government employees to refuse to solemnize a marriage that went against their personal beliefs. It was signed into law 2024. November 2023, the city of Murfreesboro, I hope I pronounced that right, within Rutherford County, Tennessee, formally removed homosexuality from its local ordinance that criminalizes it after being ordered to do so by U.S. District Judge Waverly D. Crenshaw. The cities of Collegedale and Knoxville, along with the metropolitan area of Nashville and Davidson County, enacted domestic partnership benefits for same-sex couples. The Chattanooga City Council voted to allow domestic partnerships in 2013, but this was repealed by voters in 2014. So you know they were mad in 2015 when the Supreme Court said they had to accept and acknowledge same-sex couples. You know they were mad. Yeah. Tennessee allows single persons to adopt children. Same-sex couples may legally adopt in the state. In 2007, the Tennessee Attorney General released an opinion that no state law prohibited adoption by same-sex couples. In January 2020, the Tennessee General Assembly passed a bill to allow adoption and welfare agencies to reject LGBTQIA+ parents if the agency cited its sincerely held religious beliefs. The exemption would protect the agencies from liability and lawsuits. In April 2024, Governor Lee signed the Tennessee Foster and Adoptive Parent Protection Act, allowing individuals who do not support LGBTQIA+ rights to adopt or foster LGBTQIA+ children with the Tennessee foster care system, eliminating a 10-year policy that protected the dignity and respect of all children in the DCS custody. Under the Act, LGBTQIA+ children could potentially be placed with individuals wanting to subject them to conversion therapy. Tennessee law does not prohibit discrimination on the basis of sexual orientation and gender identity. The only protections available are at the federal level under Bostock versus Clayton County. The cities of Knoxville, Memphis, Franklin, Chattanooga, and the metropolitan area of Nashville and Davidson County have ordinances prohibiting discrimination in public employment on the basis of sexual orientation and gender identity. But these ordinances do not apply to private employers.